Yo, what's up, you guys? This is GBUG from Trakvultures, and hey, it's been a long time since I made a video, you guys, but hey, we're about to come back and we're about to bring you a bunch of new live material and some pre-recorded material. And I wanted to start out with this quick open boxing that's going to change the game for me in 2026 and help bring you better quality. At least for now, it's going to be better quality for sound. So we went ahead and picked up this DJI MIC MINI, and I'm sure you guys just seen this. It's been saturated. It's been saturated on YouTube over the years. It's not anything new. It is quite old. They do have the DJI MIC 3, and it's pretty much like the Mini, except that it has internal cording storage. So maybe a couple other things, but this has something really unique that that model doesn't really have. And we're gonna go ahead and open this box right now and see what we got inside here. The knife is very sharp, you guys. Barely had to cut through the plastic. So inside this box, once you get the box open, let's see here. Make sure I do this justice. There it is. Once you get this box, you will get inside the box a bag. There it is. Alright. You'll get a bag, and in the bag is a bag. And in that bag would most likely be your equipment, right? So nice bags too. They're well packaged, and this must be, you know, the out tag. And check it out, more bags. So we're going to start placing these bags here so you see everything you get inside here. Quick open boxing. Don't want to make it more than 5 minutes. So you get some cables, it looks like. You get a charging pack. You get you get the case, okay? A case. See what else comes in here. Show you guys everything that's in the box. And in the box, looks like you get a DJI, some stickers, and a user's manual inside there, which is pretty cool. Something you can stick on your laptop or stick on, I don't know, the case or something. So let's start by opening some of this stuff up here. Well packaged, you guys, so, but easy to open, as you can see. I'm just doing it with one hand, and everything has like the resealable, a really healthy package, and it's resealable. So bear with me here. Let me get it open. Your charging port. For the only thing about the DJI Mini, in order for you to get your pre-recordings off of it, the DJI 3, you have to plug in the charging. You have to plug in a USB-C port into your computer, and that's how you get it off. It does have a seal on it. Press to unlock. After the seal, I guess you take off the seal. All right, we'll put that on one of the plastic pieces. Push it in to unlock. You have to give me one sec. Ooh, there it is. Wow. And it comes ready to go, guys. It's blinking. Got all the lights blinking, letting you know it's charged up. Yeah. Looks like it comes with just the USB-C adapter, which is cool. Not tripping. The other adapter is probably right in here. So these are your cables. Let's see everything you get here. I'm gonna open up everything. Bear with my video footage here. I don't have my tripod out, so we're just doing this freehand. And our 5 minutes is up here, you guys, so let's wrap it up. See everything you get in there. Looks like another USB-C, a USB-C charging, the charging cable. And then this is the cable that goes from your receiver to your camera or to your audio device. And in here are the wind protectors, the windshields. So, and in here they're two different colors. And I think one set is gray, one set is black. And so that, you know, you can differentiate each mic from each. And look, they're cute. Little bite-sized mics, the size of a nickel. I like it. Look at my nail, is bigger than it. And it has magnet already on it with the DJI logo. And it's also a clip-on. So it has magnet and clip-on. Look like they're ready to go. Ready to work. There you guys go. The two buttons there that you need. The magnetized section and the microphone. All right, and you get another set here, so it comes with two mics and one receiver that will control both mics. And the receiver also is clip-on or attach it to your camera. Nice right there, right? Nice, guys. It's really small and compact. It does have a 3.5 jack, so that's where you plug the cable in and then plug it into your camera, and you will get nearly the most professional sound you can get out of a mini camera. Right? Alright, guys. It has the USB-C adapter there. I won't pull that out, and it has space for your cables to be wound up in there. And once you attach everything to this, you still have space to store everything inside there. So there we go, you guys. My unboxing. All my videos from here on out should sound a lot better than they do now. All right, guys. Sorry to take your time so long, but I guess this initiates me being back. Trakvultures in the house, baby. Let's get it. Let's make some music. Let's get busy. Stay tuned.
Understand.